Okay, so I was having a conversation with Chat GPT, right, on their website. So, and okay, I'm having an indecision between continuing with C++ or Python programming language. As you can see on the screen, right, it's even mentioned that both C++ and Python are popular languages, right? But, right, the C++ is also used on building large and complex softwares, right? But even Python, on the other hand, is a high-level dynamic what typed language, right? And yes, before I asked this bot about the difference between these two programming languages, right? I also had in mind that I should do Python since C++ I had not studied it well in college, and yet so I had a question. So if people are saying that ChatGPT or OpenAI or artificial intelligence is going to replace humans or human jobs, right? So what should we do as programmers? So it came to the point that I asked one in a different way, right? Okay, like he thinks this is now personal, right? I do not know if I can get answers in building the Chat GPT. Which languages are used, right? I needed it to tell me that okay, the people who built this OpenAI, which programming language did they use? And as you can see, it just summarized like in another way, comparing to other chatbots, right, on the internet or offline. As you can see, to build a chatbot using GPT, their programming language, their language that they've developed, right? A person should be able to know Python programming language, JavaScript, and Java. So these are kind of like clues, right, given by this artificial intelligence that to secure your jobs you should use this programming language, which include Python, JavaScript, and Java. So okay, so this is my conclusion, right? So for me to okay, to kind of like, I do not know how to predict the future, but this is just a basic research. So for me to kind of like be secure or feel safe, right, I should study things which I always wanted to study: this Python programming language, the JavaScript, and I don't know about Java, but I'll start with this Python and JavaScript. Which this one JavaScript, it also says a lot because I've been wanting to study web development, right? And even I have created some playlists and some videos and some posts in the community about learning web development using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So I think it's kind of like a right path to do so. So yeah, guys, if you have any questions, or you can even check this artificial intelligence out so that you might get your different views on what to study, because I was even asking in a different way. So guys, okay, thank you for watching. Bye for now. This is Mbonis 8 Learn with Mbonis. Cheers.